Before you waste another year to wait for your salary increment, I would like to share with you some awareness with which you can double up your salary, right? I'm talking about site engineers, all those QA/QC engineers, safety engineers who are just waiting for their career transformation, but they are not thinking about the skills. That is what I'm going to discuss in today's video. So don't go away, because the way I'm going to guide you, all these success stories you are watching right now on the screen, they were once upon a time working in the same situation with low salary, with the minimal job role positions in any company. They were worried about their job roles, like they cannot see anything happening for them in future. So they followed my roadmap, my complete strategy, and now they are working in multinational companies. So if you are facing same situation and you also want to transform your career from site engineering, from any other job role to high salary career, and you want to be part of multinational company, then this video is for you people. Well, my name is Engineer Vakas. I'm the trainer and coach, and I have spent like 15 years in the construction industry, oil and gas industry, and right now I have too many success stories out there. So before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future, if I'm going to make any video, you get that link on time. So guys, this is something gonna be a career transformation tips and tricks. This is not something ordinary. So stay focused. I would say each and every word which is industry tested and which is gonna be a roadmap for thousands of engineers out there. And even I got many messages like they are those civil engineers, electrical, mechanical engineers who have been struggling for a good salary for many years. After following these tips and tricks, they have been messaging me like they got a success rate. They got a success to transform their career, to transform the company, and now they are getting too much good salary. I have shown you the screenshots and I can't disclose that personal information like salary wise. So let's start, and I will be disclosing here the tips and tricks, secrets, each and everything. So the first thing, you are already engineer working out there in the industry. Doesn't matter you are a civil engineer, electrical, mechanical, chemical, industrial, whatever engineer you are, with experience, without experience, still you have 100% chances to transform your career into project planning control. Benefits are very clear: high salary career, white collar job, leading job career, and more choices, and then online job opportunities as a planning engineer as well. These are the benefits and the pain points you are already struggling through with, right? So please write in the comment section area about your existing job role so that my team can help you out. And even if you are going to write in the comment section area, my team is going to invite you people, 5 random guys, in my upcoming live free masterclass with some bonuses as well. So don't miss this opportunity. So let's move on. I will be showing you step by step each and everything. Like you got experience 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. So AI, this wave of AI is going to shuffle many things out there. Like you are a senior guy, you are in more dangerous position. Why? Because companies are paying more salary to senior people. So if you are not going to make your profile up to that level, you are not going to learn AI, you are not going to learn those updated skills. Like there are many things out there in the market. If you are not going to update your profile in that regard, you will be replaced. I'm saying, I'm repeating again, you will be replaced in just next few 6 months, right? You got my point? So all those freshers, mid-career engineers, everybody give equal importance, equal value to these tips and tricks if you want to transform your career. So the combination I'm going to suggest to people to transform your career into project planning control is learn project management strategies, learn about Primavera P6 and AI. This is something very important combination you have to spend your next 2 to 3 months. Now let me take you on Primavera P6 dashboard. So right now you can see Primavera P6 dashboard. This is something like a pipeline construction project, and here you can see easily. So I can just take you, I'm giving you right now, you have been part of site construction, site team part, or you are part of any design team, QA/QC, safety. So all these things are there. I hope you have witnessed, observed all this task list out there while managing your site work out there, right? This is construction part in which you have been taking care about trenching, pipeline lowering. So, all these things are happening there on daily basis. Either you can take an example of building construction project. The same thing is happening there. Okay, foundation construction, column. So exactly what I'm trying to show you, on the basis of your 2 years, 1 year, or 3 years of experience, or even 10 years of experience, this guy who's taking more salary as a planning engineer is only writing those all tasks, before they're happening on the site area in a sequence on a software. You can also do that one. This is not a big thing. You can learn it. So Primavera P6 is all there. See, even you talk about tie-in, crossing, welding, before happening on the site area, this guy is just giving them a sequence, taking that raw data from BOQ, from design. This guy is managing all data in very organized way in Primavera P6. That is the one skill. Learning Primavera P6 is a complete skill. This is a software which is going to give you an opportunity to take your all raw data into project management information system software like Primavera P6 Microsoft project. And you can see over here, on the basis of this loading data, I can show you some other project over here in easiest way so that I can show you other features as well. So once you are all there to learn this software, you can define the logic. You can see green bars and then their places. Who is going to define their places? What green bar, red bar is going to take that place? See over here. And if I show you, these are the lines connecting all these bars with this is dependency. So construction methodology is going to define. Okay. So this software is going to give you all the opportunity to load that data into Primavera P6. Along with that one, you are also going to define their dependency. Every single task is separate, organized, systematically managed, right? Along with that one, you can see their respective spreadsheet. Let me show you here. Same like in Excel sheet, you can have, see, all these things are given there. See their respective spreadsheets. Along with that one, you will have some histograms. Okay, something like that. Okay, see, I can show you. This software is really amazing. This is something like that you can create. And if I just transform it into the time scale, okay, something like that. Okay, you see, now these are the histograms. Okay, so such kind of reporting system will be generated on the basis of this one. This is a complete strategy. So Primavera P6 is a software which is going to give you a skill. You will be eligible to work in the industry, in oil and gas industry. They demand anybody going to enter into this field. Either you will be part of oil and gas industry, construction industry, you must have this skill, Primavera P6. Okay, so along with that one, you have to understand project management strategies. For example, the pipeline construction project or any oil and gas project, infrastructure project, you have to understand project management strategies. For example, work management, how to define all that work before loading in Primavera P6. Then their time distribution, that is what we call time management. The complete cost distribution across different kind of things. Right over here, you can see every single task has been given different kind of task. Okay, and their cost is different. Okay, second submission. So I can add few columns here. I can add cost and I can show their budgeted labor cost. That is what you can learn easily. Budgeted total cost. Here I can budgeted non-labor cost, budgeted material cost, budgeted labor cost. These are the famous popular categories where we can distribute our project total cost. And you can see here, see, our every single cost is distributed. That is what you have to learn from project management. And you are going to learn, apply all these things within Primavera P6. These are the two skills. Now, along with these two skills, like you already expertise yourself in project management, like work management, time management, cost management, resource management. Like resource management, I will be showing you. Like excavation is a work. First of all, let me explain this complete concept over here. This is a task, excavation. The total work is given in BOQ. So quantum of work will be taken from BOQ. The total cost will be taken from there. Okay. And the total work will be evaluated on the basis of productivity and total man hours will be calculated. Let me share with you. If I give you the detail of this excavation, okay, so here we have resources list. So how many excavators we are deploying on site area, loaders, non-skilled labor. So all the man hours are there. Okay, respectively, their BOQ cost can be allocated there. So each and everything is integrated over here. Okay. So Primavera P6 is a tool where you are going to apply construction methodology, the sequence of tasks, number one, and all the project management strategies. Like you have displayed all, loaded all that data in Primavera P6, that is work management or scope management. You have distributed all that timeline, that is time management, cost management, resource management, right? So while you are doing all of these things, you have to consider client requirement as well, like what client exactly going to convey you, that is contract agreement, right? So you have to consult that contract agreement. What are the key milestone dates, what are the constraints, what are the assumption and basis? On the basis of all those given in instructions, you are going to develop this project schedule. Now this is ready, you are like working, you can work like a planning engineer. But there is one thing, in 2026 there is a big contribution by AI, artificial intelligence. All this task I can do manually, maybe in 20 days. Maybe four people are going to do all this task, maybe 15 to 20 days, 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Okay, isko kar dena, sorry. 2 weeks to 3 weeks. So now what is the scenario of AI? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is going to do this work, is going to compile this thing for you people in just maybe 1 day and 2 days. And if you are not going to start learning AI, let me show you AI, Claude AI interface. This is Claude AI interface. You can go there on Google. This is something amazing. The miracle in 2026, if somebody is going to ask you, that is Claude AI for your job role. So you can train it, you can load data over here, and you can transform that data in 5 minutes. You can prepare presentations. You can also watch my other videos in which I have given the more detailed version of Claude AI, in which I have shown people different features of Claude AI. But right now I'm going to emphasize that why Claude AI is so much important, because if you are going to skip it, you will be working as a data entry operator. But if you are going to adopt Claude AI application, prompt structuring, different feature application, then you will be working at the next level, because you will be understanding its SOPs, prompt structuring, right? And if you want to learn all these things in a very proper strategic way, as a roadmap, as a strategy, and you are all there to transform your career. Because right now, if you are working with some other job role and you are intended to transform your career, write in the comment section area, so that to such kind of candidates, my team is going to provide the link of live free masterclass, in which I will be giving more detailed version. For example, in that live free masterclass, I will be taking your questions. I will be talking about your career challenges. I will be talking you people one to one, like what exact things you are facing and how many years you are stuck there, right? So all those things I will be listening, and then I will be categorizing you people in different ways, and I will be suggesting you the roadmap which is going to favor you in next 2 to 3 months. So don't skip this live free masterclass. Along with that one, this three model system based complete roadmap I will be giving you in more detailed way, what is suitable for you people at this moment. So live free masterclass is really valuable, which is going to happen. But at this moment, I would inspire you people, like there are too many people, like it's not like a new thing in the market. Before, degrees were there, everybody was okay, I got a civil engineering degree, mechanical, electrical, okay, that's great. But to continue your career with only degree is not a good thing. With the passive time, you have to add skills, that's good. But it's not only one skill, step by step. So every 6 months, try to learn new things. That is the only key to success. So I would be waiting for you people to share more important tips and tricks. And don't forget to miss that 7 steps magical formula, which is also going to be part of my upcoming live free masterclass. I wish you all the best. Stay blessed and keep growing your career with everyday's learning. So write in the comment section area and be part of my upcoming live free masterclass.